Hi, welcome to another edition of A Minute Mad. The word for today is vision. What is vision? Vision, simply put, is your ability to see the future. Vision is your ability to see yourself in the future, coming back to how you are right now and seeing exactly what you need to do in order to achieve that future. Vision is your ability to enlarge yourself. Vision is your ability to increase your capacity. Vision is it's a picture of your future. You see, your vision isn't in front of you. Your vision isn't in the future. Your vision is inside of you. And the difference between the vision that you have and the achievement of the vision in the future is the work that you put in. You see, it's important this year, 2020, we know that 2020 is a peculiar year. It's important that you don't lose your vision. It's important that you don't allow the economic circumstances, coronavirus, so on and so forth, to cause you to stop dreaming. The moment you stop dreaming, the moment you stop seeing that picture of your future is the moment you start to die. Let me repeat that again. The minute or the moment we stop seeing our future is the minute and the moment that we start to die, right? Hence the reason why you have to maintain and ensure that you protect your vision. You have to make sure that you continually keep positive, stay focused, and keep working on the plans that you have for yourself. Don't be like those people that keep saying 2020 is over, 2020 is cancelled. No, of course not. This is just the beginning. You can still make the most of this year. Listen, there are many people who are thriving this year, many people who are making money this year. Why can't you be part of it? The difference between them and the people who are struggling and complaining is vision. Make sure this year that you maintain your vision. Make sure this year that you stay focused and you make it happen. Then you will have good success. Here's Aya signing out. Goodbye.